absolute favorite flavor of cupcake? Strawberry? Chocolate? Well, today we are going to draw a cute cupcake, and the best thing is that you can give it any flavor you like on top of it. Yeah, grab your paper and let's get drawing. Okay, let's start by the bottom of the cupcake. So we're going to make a curve over here. Alright, and now we're going to make a slightly diagonal line on each side, okay? Alright, and now we are going to make some zigzags from here all the way to here, okay? Watch me. Your turn. Alright, so now we are going to start building up. Let's make a curve over here. And on the other side. So we're going to make a curve over here. And on the other side. Alright, now let's build up. And the other side. One more. The other side. So we leave a gap there, that's for the cherry. So let's add the cherry now. Let's make a circle. And a stem for the cherry. Got it? Okay. Now we are going to make some lines to make this icing. So let's add some lines over here. And this one is going to go from here to here, okay? Watch this. Got it? Alright, we are going to make more lines, okay? So, first one is like this. Then, we're going to make another one like this. Alright, and this is the last one. Alright, now we can add the eyes and the mouth to make it super cute. Let's do that. Let's add 2 circles as the eyes. And I'm going to add 2 smaller circles as the highlights. Then you can color that in. Alright, I'm gonna add some eyelashes and eyebrows. And now let's add the mouth. Alright, I think we can add some lines to the liner of the cupcake to make it even better. Okay, let's do that. Alright, I think our cupcake is now ready. And all that's left to do is just to color it. Yeah, let's do that. That looks so yum! What flavor did you put on your cupcake? Oh, yum! Anyway, that was so much fun! And I hope you had fun as well! Don't forget to like and subscribe so that we can grow again together! Yeah, keep on smiling, keep on going! I hope to see you in the next one, okay? Bye!